Jai Narayan students. Today we will discuss the format of diary writing. So what is diary writing? A diary is the simplest form, is a record of your everyday life. Okay. So while write your diary, what is the important thing you need to understand? Firstly, we have to write the date, the time, the day properly. And diary is always in a formal and in a personal language. No need any heading, no need any signature. So what is the format? Simply we have to write the place. Like this is Prayagraj. So Prayagraj. Then date. For example, 29th July 2020. Then simply write the day, Monday, and then write the time, always in a PM form. Okay, then write simply dear diary, and now write your content here, and in the last write your name. Like my name is Vidushi, then I write my name here, Vidushi. Okay, so this is the format of diary writing. Now we will see the PPT about this diary writing. Diary writing. See the picture of diary and here the pen. Now what is the format of diary writing? Firstly write the date, day and time. Then start with dear diary, as diary is like a friend, as diary is considered as your friend. Begin with the entry with general sentence describing the day और momentary feeling. आप अपनी कोई feeling share कीजिए डायरी में अपनी. Then in the body you may discuss an event, your content, your feelings. फिर conclude with final remark and future course of action. Here is the question. You recently visited the 24th Craft Mela at Suraj Kund, Faridabad. Okay, it was mini India assembled at one place. Using the hints, use these hints. Make a diary entry of what you saw and experienced there. What is the hint? इसी टाइप का आपको हिंट मिलेगा एंड देन आपको हिंट को कैप्चर करके अपनी डायरी लिखना है. हिंट क्या है? मोर देन 20 स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया रिप्रेजेंटेड राजस्थान, द थीम स्टेट, participation of foreign countries, cultural programs, dances at Chopal and Rangmanch, food courts, catering, all kinds of food, art and handicrafts from awarded artisans. आंसर आपका कैसे लिखेंगे? आप स्टार्ट करेंगे जैसे कि मैंने आपको फॉर्मली आपको वीडियो में बताया था. फर्स्टली यू मे राइट द सिटी नेम लाइक न्यू दिल्ली, देन डेट 20th March 2020, देन द डे इज मंडे एंड 8 PM. सपोज दैट आप अगर 9 PM लिख रहे हैं, 7 PM लिख रहे हैं, बट यू मे अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन PM, नॉट इन AM. देन डियर डायरी, स्टार्ट योर डायरी हियर. The craft mela at Surajkund was much more impressive and grand than what I had imagined. This year the theme state was Rajasthan. Okay, so this year the theme state was Rajasthan. The whole campus was painted with the visuals of Ranthambore, Chittor, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. It was mini India assembled on few hundred acres of land. All the awarded artisans from different states had set up their workshop and stalls there. Many countries, more particularly Pakistan, Nepal, Afghanistan, gave it an international look. Then what happened? Bengals, jewelries, decoration pieces, wall hanging, purses, shoes, saris, garments, cosmetics found thousands of buyers. Every evening there were cultural shows at the Chopal and Rangmanch. The food court provided all kinds of delicious for food lovers. Then basically it was India in all its colors, tastes, sounds scattered on the Aravali hills. So this is your content. So आपको जो भी content मिलेगा आप उसके ऊपर अपना content लिखिएगा. Then regards Vidushi, like my name is Vidushi, your name is Swapnil, and एनी, आपका कुछ भी नाम हो, यू मे राइट योर नेम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Indian summer are really unbearable. Okay, one day the maximum temperature shot up to 47 degrees Celsius. It was most miserable day of the year for you. Suppose that आज today's आपका जो दिन है वो बहुत ख़राब गया एंड बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी, 47 डिग्री सेल्सियस बिल्कुल टेम्परेचर चला गया. सो आपको उस एक्सपीरियंस को अपनी डायरी में लिखना है. सो रिकॉर्ड द एक्सपीरियंस इन योर डायरी. सो स्टार्ट विथ सेम फॉर्मेट, योर प्लेस झांसी, देन डेट 20 जुलाई 20, फ्राइडे 8 PM, 8 PM, 7 PM, 9 PM, you may write any time. Then dear diary, Indian summers can be really unbearable, and who can live in peace and comfort when the heat waves start blowing over the plains of North India. It was 20th of July. So it was the date. What was the date? 20th July 2020 or 21, 22. You may write any year. The most miserable day of my life. It was certainly the hottest day of the season. By noon the heat became unbearable, because unbearable असहनीय, बिल्कुल सहन नहीं हो रही थी. To avoid dehydration, we had already had several liters of cold water. I had to go to market. I forget to wear a cap, and what happened? By the time I reached home, I was very miserable and started vomiting. So I forgot my cap, and then when I was returned my home, so I started vomiting. To make things still worse, there was a breakdown of electric power during most part of night. So सोचिए उस दिन 47 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर, and I forget my cap, and then the electricity power. Without the working of fans and air conditioners, we felt miserable. We spent a sleepless and miserable night. Then regards, your name, like Vidushi, and जो भी आपको लिखना हो. So this is the format of your diary writing.